Hello guys, I'm here today. We are going to play New Year Obby again. So no, I don't wanna close. I don't wanna buy guys. Okay guys. So anyways guys, I'm going to finish the Obby. Okay guys. So anyways guys, I'm gonna see more videos on here. I don't wanna get a fireworks. Make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, I need to beat this game. So I know how to beat this game guys. Let's see. Let's see guys. Here's the fireworks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro, stop lagging. Stop lagging, I guess. No! Okay guys, this could be the easy mode guys. So, this could be the easy mode. So, this could be the New Year Obby. So, I'm playing it as a 2025. So, let's go guys. So, anyways guys. I know how to beat this game, but at some point they has a big new update in this guild called New Year Obby. So, wait, hold on. Multiplication plus multiplication plus multiplication. Okay, good job. Okay guys, I know how to jump, and I know how to cheat. Okay, let's cheat. Okay, what unfair. And let's like this. What? Not fair, bro. Noob. Not fair. Stop it. Oh my god. Come on, don't die. We still beat this, yes. Guys, I know how to cheat this thing. So I'm not gonna lie. So anyways guys, don't lying. Okay. Final job. Okay guys. Final job. We only got stage. They doesn't have a message there. Interesting. Stop lagging Okay guys, I only got one player. I have one player, so there's 0 players in there, but I'm playing it. Okay guys, so comment me if you want. Sure, like, comment and subscribe. So please, bro, stop lagging. Okay. Bro, why I'm lagging? Stop lagging or else. If you lag, then I'm going to report Roblox. I'm gonna report Roblox, guys. So anyways, guys, I know how to beat this game, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm going to just. I know I'm gonna get up. I'm going to beat this game, but I know, guys. Okay, guys, what? I know it, guys. Why this my voice very fast? Let's go, guys. We need to go to the stage, I guess. Okay, guys. So anyways, guys. This could be disappear stairs that I just thought. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go. Okay, guys. What the heck? Don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Okay, guys. No, I don't want to touch it. No. Don't touch it, okay? Don't touch it, okay? Don't touch it, okay? Yes. Name it. Oh, do not touch it. See, I didn't even die. Okay? Bro, why always lagging? Bro, I wanted to turn on because I'm lagging. Bro, why I'm lagging? Is it this game is so annoying? Even though I'm going to beat this game, okay guys? Even though I'm going to beat this game. Let's go. Wow. Look at the graphics there. This graphic is very good. This graphic, guys. This graphic. Okay, let's beat this. I know how to beat this. Okay. Why does the graphic look good? It's so good, and I just feel cold. Okay, let's go. Checkpoint, I guess. Let's go. Also guys, I wanted to shout out to my Aldrin guys, so please subscribe to my other channel, okay? So please subscribe to my other channel, please, okay? They have 10 subscribers. Please subscribe, okay? Okay, let's go. Do not touch it. If I touch it, then I'm going to skip it. Wait, let me just wait. Bro, stop! Wait, let me just cheat. Stop doing that! Are you dumb? Roblox is dumb. Bro, what? Why does the Roblox touch? Touch Roblox. Now let's go. Stupid ass Roblox. I hate Roblox. Freaking Roblox. Oh wait. Oh, stop doing that! Oh, stop doing that or else I will punch you, Roblox. Yeah. I report everyone. So Discovery haters hate Roblox. Bro, so brain rot. I hate this. I hate this Buddha. I will just report it. He is a brain rot. Wait, hold on. Nah. Bruh, how? Okay, let's go. Don't touch it. Don't touch the white. I didn't even die, okay? I didn't even touch it. See? It's easy. That's easy, guys. Okay. I need to beat this game. 3, 4, back to my shoes. 3, 4, nothing enough. 5, 4. Don't fall. Yes. Good. Very good. No. Do not touch. Oh, yes. Very good, Roblox. Yes. See, I didn't understand that. I didn't imagine. See, Roblox is good. So, I like this game. I like this game. Alright. So, anyway, guys. Nice, guys. Even though I'm this is okay. Need to be peace. Don't show no what. Don't be no powerful. No what, okay? No, no. No what, okay? Yeah, let's go. Continue with this. Wait, can I touch it? Wait, how wait, can I touch it? Oh my god, I accidentally touched it. Okay. Where? Bro, stop! What is wrong with you, game? Hey, game, you do. You show a poo-poo. You're poo-poo. You're poop. You're also a poo-poo. You're poop. Roblox, you're poop. Okay. What? Wait, bro. Oh, we should go there. Okay. What? Okay. I forgot there, guys. I forgot. Okay. 3, 4, look at me, 2, 5, 6, 5 more, 5, 6. Okay. Do not lag, okay? Let's go beat this game. What's that? Is that moon? Moon for the top? The top on the bottom? Let's go, I'm going to beat this game. Let's go, I'm going to beat this game. Yes. Let's go, I'm going to beat this game, okay? So far, I'm gonna beat this. Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go beat this game. Let's go! This could take 1 minute. This could take 10 minutes left. I don't like this game. I like the obby mode. Oh no! This could take a long time. Oh no. Oh. How many percent? 18. No. Wait, let's... Okay. Let's go. Do not... No! Okay, let's go. Now to play Roblox. Yes. I need to go there. No. What? Okay, let's go. Again. Not again. Not again. Why? Why like this? Okay, guys. Oops. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be teaching guys. So, anyways, guys. Also, why there's ladder? Also, red and blue. Red and blue. Red and white, okay. Hey, guys. It's like black and blue. Just kidding, it's white, okay? So, let's go. Let's gonna be teaching. We're almost there. Yes. No. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm going to beat this game. We're almost there. Yes. I need to touch the checkpoint, I guess. Let's check the checkpoint. Let's go. I know this. I know. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times. I made 14 times, okay? Let's go. Let's go up and up and up. Let's go up. And I just beat this game. Yes. I just beat this game, guys. Okay, guys. I just beat this game. For a while. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I also do this. Please subscribe, please. Goodbye, guys.